Hey guys, and welcome back to the HobbyDude 007 channel. Well, we've got a shop card shout out, a visit to the hobby shop, and our kit of the month from Salvino's came in. Let's take a look at them. All right, guys, first up, we've got a shout out for our buddy Kyle over at RKD Scaleworks. Great channel. I was not familiar with this one, but I went over, gave him a sub, watched some of the videos, and there's some cool stuff over there, guys. As I've said many times, we want to grow this algorithm and grow the hobby, so get over there. Give him a sub. Check out some of the videos. You're going to be thumbs upping on some of these things too. He's done some great segments on model cars and coffee. I am tickled to death that Kyle has jumped in on the USAC 68 Dark group build, so glad to have you there, bud. Thank you very much for the kind words on the back. Appreciate that very much. But again, check out his model cars and coffee. Did one on the gangbusters that is absolutely great. Check out the last one from Sunday too. I'm not going to spoil it. Get over there, see for yourself, and let's grow this hobby. Give him a sub, show him some love, and you'll enjoy it. You really will. Thanks again, Kyle. Okay, hobby shop stop. Let's look at the Salvino stuff first. As always, the kit of the month always comes with extra decals and a sticker every month. And let's take a look. Sorry, I'm bumping the camera, guys. There's this month's sticker. Cool. I've got a few of these stuck on different things, and I've got quite a collection of them building up too. I may have to do a board of just these things. And the freebies, and if you're not familiar with the Builders Club or the Builders Group, you get a kit every month, and there's some special things about those kits as well. And I'll touch on that in just a second, because this month is one of those months. But you get extra decals, which is probably about a $30 value that is just thrown in free. And as you see, this is for the 2022 Camaro. And one of the sets of decals are from the Darlington winning Eric Jones car. Cool stuff. And, oh yeah, this one is I can tell automatically by the clear STP there, that's the 72. Well, yeah, Richard Petty 72. Check it out. So another set of those. I think this is for the Roadrunner. Well, you know what? I'm not sure. That actually could be for the Charger as well. I'll have to look at the configuration on the contingencies and stuff as well. But always, me personally, y'all that are watch the channel regularly know that I always have room for Richard Petty anything. So there we go. All right. And this month's kit of the month, it is an exclusive to the club members. In other words, this is once again one of those kits that will not be available in hobby shops. As a thank you to the Builders Club, we get some kits that are only available to the club. Builders Club exclusive. So you're not going to find this one in stores. Unless somebody's selling theirs on eBay or something, you're just not going to find this anywhere else. You've got to be a member of the Builders Club to get this. And this is from 1982. This is Benny Parsons' Rainier racing car. And this was a special one in that, as I recall, this was the first 200-mile-an-hour qualifier in the small cars. And y'all correct me if I'm wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure that's right. And I want to throw in a little plug for my buddy Lucas E. at Lucas E. Products. If you wanted to convert this to from the Le Mans to a Grand Am, you can head over to Andy's Hobby Headquarters, or Andy's I almost said LLC, Hobby Headquarters, HHC, and get you a Grand Am nose. I mean, check out the casting on this thing. Luca did an absolutely outstanding job, and this was designed for him by Jim Rogers with Salvinos, and it is a perfect fit right up to the nose, and you convert your Le Mans into a Grand Am. How about that? Cool stuff, huh? And again, place to get that is Andy's HHQ, and if he's out, don't worry about it. He's always getting more in, and I believe Lucas said he was out, but he was about to send some more in. Okay, over to the hobby shop haul. While I was there, I picked up a couple of cans of Tama. I know these look very similar, but this is TS87 and TS88, which is titanium gold and titanium silver. This, along with all-clad pale burnt metal and exhaust and smoke, are pretty much what I use on headers. I kind of like the titanium silver, but if you wanted an older, little bit older look, the titanium gold is the way to go too. I may do a tutorial on weathering up headers too, but I was out of gold altogether, and I've got a little bit of silver, the titanium silver left. So, and again, that's TS87 and TS88. It's a great base, and I use the all-clad smoke and sometimes some of the other hot metal colors, especially as they come out of the heads right there. But it really depends on the age of the engine. If you want it to be a more new-looking engine versus a pretty used engine, as to the heat stains on the headers. So, but either one works great for that, at least for me. And lastly, I picked up the Dodge 65 A990. Now, the A990 is a modified Coronet, and as you see here, Mobius just put out the 65 Dodge Coronet. They also put out the altered wheelbase funny car and the A990. Now, the unique thing with the A990, and you know what, I think I'm going to do a quick box opening right after this video of this kit, because the unique thing about this was it was an ultra lightweight car. It was designed for performance, and it was specifically designed for the NHRA, so it was a factory drag car with a 426 Hemi. There was only 101 of these things made. And there were some things that were very unique. Now, as I recall, you see that side view mirror? This was not made for the street, by the way. And you notice on a Coronet, you had 4 headlights, and on the A990, you only have the 2. But it did not come with these side mirrors. You know what? Yeah, well, let's do a box opening next. But anyway, I want to share that with you real quick, guys. So look forward to a box opening maybe in a few hours, or by tomorrow morning, something like that. And that's it for the haul this go-round, guys. But thanks for watching. Appreciate you very much. Head over to HobbyNut Models. Check out Mark's inventory as always. Pick you up some MCW paint. Check out the tools. And whether you're a auto modeler or a military modeler, check out the inventory. He's got it all. Okay, guys. God bless. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.